Cacti generally have thick, herbaceous or woody chlorophyll containing stems. Cacti can be distinguished from other succulent plants by the presence of areoles, small cushion-like structures with trichomes or plant hairs, and in almost all species, spines or barbed bristles.
The brittle bush, or also called Ensalia farinosa, is a medium-sized rounded shrub. It has long, oval, and silver-gray leaves that are somewhat fuzzy. The branches are brittle and woody and contain a fragrant resin. In the late winter and early spring, small yellow flowers form on long stalks well above the leafy stems.
The sand cat Felis margarita is a small wild cat that inhabits sandy and stony desert far from a water source with the sandy to light gray fur. Is a well-laced range for 39 to 52 centimeter, 15 to 20 in. I don't know what that thing is. With the 23 until 31 centimeter, 9.1 until 12.2 in. Long tail is a 5.7 centimeter, 2.0 to 2.8 in. Short ear are set low on the side of the head, aiding the detection of the prey moving underground. The long hair covering the sole is a pouch insulated the pet against extremely hot and cold temperature in desert.
We can more efficiently use existing water resources and better control salinization to improve arid lands, find new ways to rotate crops to protect the fragile soil, and plant sand-fixing bushes and trees. Planting leguminous plants which extract nitrogen from the air and fix it in the ground can help restore the soil fertility. People can also use off-road vehicles only in designated trails and roadways and dig artificial grooves in the ground to retain rainfall and trap wind-blown seeds.
The average life expectancy of a camel is 40 to 50 years. A full-grown adult dromedary camel stands 1.85 meter at the shoulder and 2.15 meters at the hump. Camels do not directly store water in their humps. They are reservoirs of fatty tissue. So, camels store fats in their hump. And then when this tissue is metabolized, it yields more than 1 gram of water for every gram of fat processed. Giant desert hairy scorpion commonly found under rocks containing moisture. Its diet consists of giant insects, spiders, and small vertebrae. This is an aggressive and active scorpion, which is nocturnal as with all scorpion. Giant desert hairy scorpions get their name due to their large size, measuring up to between 4 and 7 inches in length. Their body are dark color, white their appendage such as leg, claws, and tail are more of a dull yellow color.
A palm has a single trunk with a tuft of large leaves at the top. The trunk can be very tall, up to 200 feet or 60 meters high, but it can be so short that the plant is almost trunkless. Often, the trunk is smooth.
The ostrich is a large flightless bird found only in the open country in Africa, the largest living bird. An adult male ostrich may be 2.75 meters, about 9 feet tall. Almost half of its height is the neck, and they weigh more than 150 kilograms or 330 pounds. The female is somewhat smaller.
The desert cottontail has a brown-gray fur above, lighter fur on its undersides. It has big eyes, puffy, round tails, and long wide ears, with little fur in them. The female desert cottontail is usually a little larger than the male.
There are some issues that affect the desert biome. The issue is the global warming. Global warming increases the incidence of drought, which dry up water holes. Higher temperature can result in an increasing number of wildfires, changing desert landscapes by removing slow-growing trees and shrubs and replacing them with fast-growing grasses.